Episode 58. Have you noticed Meta AI in your WhatsApp?
The AI6 Podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
You'll never guess who slid into my WhatsApp DMs at the weekend. Meta, that's who. Well, it caught my eye and I said to myself, now, what's this all about? So I'm here to tell you what I've discovered. Hello and welcome back to the AI6 Podcast, where I teach you AI for good in just 6 minutes a day. Whether it's a new AI tool, a new AI regulation, or how to create more time at work by leveraging AI, this podcast has you covered. So, Meta AI sliding into our DMs. Is it sneaky or is it savvy? Well, first, let me talk about what Meta AI in WhatsApp can do for us. It can answer questions in real time like Google or ChatGPT. It can search the web directly inside our chat. It can create images from text prompts. It can summarize or rewrite messages. And it can help us plan or brainstorm ideas like trips, meals, or other content. It can also write messages for people that we want to WhatsApp. The Llama 3.2 model is the large language model operating Meta AI in our WhatsApp. So I decided to have a bit of fun and interview the AI model in WhatsApp as preparation for this podcast. Here's our conversation, which I used Play AI to generate our voices. So the female voice is me and the male voice is Meta AI.
How would I describe you?
An AI assistant available in WhatsApp, designed to assist and communicate with users in a helpful and informative way. I can provide information, answer questions, generate text, and engage in conversation.
Do you engage in conversation with me? Or can you chat directly to my WhatsApp contacts?
I can engage in conversation with you, but I don't have the ability to chat directly with your WhatsApp contacts. I'm here to assist and provide information to you, and you can use the information or responses I provide to chat with your contacts if you'd like.
Do you hallucinate?
I can generate text based on patterns and associations in the data I was trained on. On rare occasions, this can lead to text that's not entirely accurate or relevant, which might seem like hallucination. However, I'm constantly learning and improving, so please let me know if I provide information that doesn't seem quite right.
What data were you trained on?
I was trained on a massive dataset of text from various sources, including books, articles, and online conversations. This training data allows me to understand and generate human-like language. My training data is constantly updated and expanded to keep my knowledge up to date and to improve my performance.
Did you have copyright rights to those books and articles and permission from the individuals whose conversations you are learning from?
Meta obtains the data used to train me through a variety of sources, including licensing agreements, public databases, and web scraping. Meta also relies on fair use provisions under US copyright law to use copyrighted materials for research and training purposes. As for conversations, Meta relies on publicly available data sources such as online forums, social media platforms, and other online communities where users have chosen to make their information publicly available. Meta's data collection practices are governed by its privacy policy and terms of service.
Do you adhere to EU copyright law? I'm sure you have been trained in EU content, and Meta's European headquarters are in Dublin, Ireland.
Meta, the company that created me, complies with EU copyright law and has implemented measures to ensure that its data collection and use practices adhere to relevant EU regulations, including the Copyright Directive and the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. Meta's European headquarters in Dublin, Ireland, helps ensure compliance with EU regulations.
Okay, thank you. Now let's talk the sunny weather we are having. How long can I expect it to stay? I'm in South Hill, Galway, Ireland.
The sunny weather in South Hill, Galway, Ireland is expected to stick around for a while.
So Meta AI proceeded to give me a week's forecast and gave me links to Met Éireann and the Weather Channel as sources of its response. So that's it for today's episode. I want to know, have you tried Meta AI in WhatsApp? How are you using it and what do you think? Let me know, send me a DM on Instagram, or if we're friends on WhatsApp, obviously contact me there, or you can find Joanne Sweeney on LinkedIn. As always, if you enjoyed this podcast, please share it with your network, and I'd really appreciate a review and a rating.
The AI6 Podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
If you want to find out more about my work in AI for marketing, go to my website, publicsectormarketingpros.com. You can check out my AI diploma for marketers there and use the code AI610 for a discount. You can also hire me for an in-company AI workshop. I'm Joanne Sweeney. This is the AI6 Podcast. I'll talk to you on the next show.